Hello all wonderful crafters, this is Avni from CDC Pune. So you can see this very cute shakers keychains what we have done. As you know, CDC has lots and lots of shaker elements. So now we have done is a very small and cute. You can see it's very small and you can attach there's a hole in this at the top so that you can attach a keychain, and this can be a keychain. So we have different shapes and size, and this is a special one what we had done for like playing cards. We have this cute little sequence you can see of playing cards. So we have done all the uh, four designs for your playing cards. So you can just see all these four, and these are the other shapes which you can even put a small message inside, or you can just write your initials, or you can just decorate this at the top and then you can put it a keychain. Even if you don't want as a keychain and you want just as a magnet, you can let us know. We can remove the loop and we can surely customize that for you. So the basically when you buy this shakers, you will be getting you'll be getting one base, one acetate sheet, and two rings. So you have to stick the acetate sheet on the first ring, and then this you color this background, you attach the second ring, put your sequence, and then at the top you again put your ring with your acetate, so it seals your shaker. So in this, all these four elements will be coming as a part of the shaker element. With one kit you can make one shaker. Also wanted to let you know that we do have alphabet shakers. For example, this is an M shaker, and it has loop at the top, so you can put your keychain and you can just put it on your purses, or you can just put it on your gift, on your scrapbooks. So same thing, it has same parts, the base, two rings, and an acetate. So you can have whichever alphabet you want, we can customize with this. Same thing, if you don't want to have the loop, we can give without the loop, as you can, which you can use as a magnet. Like I have an example here. So this is alphabet S without the loop, so this you can use as a magnet. So you can have words like love, home, happy, good vibes, such like this. With when we can give you magnets behind, you can just put a magnet here and your magnet shaker magnet is ready. So I hope you like this launch, and do place your orders soon on 9011038449. Thank you. Happy crafting.